Well, is it a worthy successor? We'll see. All right, what you see in front of you is the successor to my Pan America. No, I don't think it could be any more different. What you see is a 2008 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic. It is the vintage that had the twin cam engine. This one is a twin cam 96 cubic inch. So it is the later versions when they moved away from the spring-loaded cam tensioner to the hydraulic. We'll still check and see how she is. It's got about 26,000 miles on it. So in the rest of the riding community, it's quite a few miles. But to me, wow, it's still a spring chicken. So over the next series of videos, we're going to go through, check things out, do routine maintenance. The previous owner gave me a stack of receipts. So I'm going to go through and find out what modifications it's had, what kind of accessories are here. There's a few things that are on here that I'm not a big fan of. I'll change them out. There's other things I'm really glad it has. So we'll see. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Just wanted to introduce the new bike. Oh, by the way, it doesn't have a name yet. Yeah, if you've got an idea for a name, drop it in the comments. Anyway, I just thought I'd make a quick video with the introduction of the new bike that replaces the Pan America. Please like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I always need more subscribers, and always thanks for watching Go Far with Brent.